This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Brand new townhouse in Harmony at Lakewood Ranch is waiting for your family, featuring 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 CG. Open floor plan with L-shaped kitchen, features slate cabinets with Viatera Quartz countertops in Iceberg. Stainless steel appliances include the refrigerator. Dining area is adjacent to kitchen, both open up to the large gathering room. There is a window over the sink in the kitchen. Sliding glass doors open up from the dining area onto the lanai out back. Powder room on the main level is convenient for guest and homeowner alike. Flooring downstairs is staggered 7 by 22 tiles. Bathrooms and laundry room feature 17 by 17 tiles, carpeting in the bedrooms. Upstairs features a split bedroom plan, with the owner's suite located on the back of the home. En-suite features a huge walk-in closet, dual sink, raised height vanity, and separate water closet for privacy. Laundry room and a full hall bath separates the bedrooms, with the second and third bedrooms in the front of the home. Bedroom 2 has a walk-in closet, bedroom 3 has double windows for lots of natural lighting. Laundry room is conveniently located upstairs and has a linen closet. Located in Harmony at Lakewood Ranch, you are close to shopping, golf and the hospital. Short drive to the airport and beaches. Amenities include seasonally heated pool, play area, walking trails, clubhouse and more. AAA rated schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.